In today's video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the potentially unwanted software called iRecord. Judging by the application's interface, iRecord is supposed to record the screen using the selected video format. We discovered iRecord after completing an installation of a software bundle downloaded from a shady web page. It is highly advisable not to install applications included into deceptive installer. iRecord supposedly allows people to record their screen using a selected video format, bitrate, and frame rate. It also shows a video duration and allows to save the recorded video in the specified location. iRecord appears to be a simple screen recorder. Since iRecord is distributed through a deceptive installer, it may be malicious, the installer, and it may be bundled with other unwanted applications like browser hijackers and advertising-supported apps. In some cases, shady apps like iRecord operate as cryptocurrency miners. Therefore, it is highly advisable to remove iRecord and other applications of this kind as soon as possible. So, we recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your device. Click on Uninstall a program, look for suspicious software, and uninstall it in a regular manner. Also, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.